What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Shadow Superman, or like Superman in the black suit, right, with laser eyes. And he's like hunched over and he's about to blast someone, right? So this is from a comic, so it's kind of like a comic style drawing. So let us go. I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Center point of my page is about here. We'll come up. And we start with his eyebrows, right? So he's got this sort of big sort of frowning. You just do this kind of tick, right? That comes up, and they're kind of comic book style, angled eyebrow like that, right? And you have some lines that come back there. And then the other side, same thing again. Right, you just darken it up. So adding a space to just color black, getting our shape roughly like that, right? And then I just colored that black. Okay, so then his eyes, right? So we can just see sort of the inside of his eye there. The real slender, glowing red, right? There. And then this goes back to the back there, right? The other one, down again to there, and up. So it comes out from the eyebrow, like so. Right, so if you want, you can draw in the iris and the pupil, right? But I'm just going to do them this sort of glowing red thing. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. So then we've got like some extra sort of eyelid lines and stuff just coming around his eye. Okay, it just makes him look more menacing. And then like the lines for the sides of his temples there. Like so. So his nose is down. Like so. And then we have nostrils. Here and here. And then we can join these together with a curved line. And then the sides of the nose just there. And if you want like some extra sort of frown lines and stuff coming across. Okay. So then his mouth, so real sort of unimpressed, flat sort of mouth, right? So it starts like underneath the edge of his eye here. Go up, across. You can leave a little bit of a gap if you want. Down like so, right? So we're making him look like really angry, right? And then he could have like a line just there, and then a shadow sort of underneath his bottom lip. It's a real comic book style now. And then he's got a big square chin here, right? So eyebrows to nose about the same as nose to chin. So here to here about the same as, well, eye should I say, sorry. Eye to nose about the same as nose to chin. And then nose, bottom of the nose to the bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin, this little shadow. So here to here, about the same as there to there, okay? Then you can go for the jaw. So we're going real strong, exaggerated DC comic jaw now. Right, and then it goes up. Like so. And then he has like cheekbones that come in here. Right down like so. Real sort of dramatic sort of stuff, right? So we want to make him look scary. Okay, so his head is like tilted forward, right? So we can see his sideburns up here above his eyes. Okay, because we got a forward head tilt, so everything sort of moves up, like the ears move up. Normally ears are in line with the eyebrow, but they're above the eyebrow because he's like leaning forward. He's coming forward, right? So everything here looks bigger, sort of. And then this comes down, so just draw in the ear. And then draw yourself ear line, easiest way, letter J, and then add more inside. Okay, so his hairline comes down to like in line with the sideburns here, right? So you got like this sort of thing, just a zigzag sort of line going that way, and then this side comes down there, and then he's got a big sort of that curling sort of thing that he has. Yeah, this typical Superman. Hairstyle. If you go over anything, you can just erase underneath. All right, and then another sort of spike coming out here. And then his part in his hair is like here, right? So this kind of goes this way, and then this will go down. Okay, so then his hair flows this way, right? So adding all these hair spikes out here now. A couple up here. And it goes down towards that part in his hair there. And you can put more texture across if you want. And then there's the rest of the hair that comes down that way. Right? So we can see a lot of his head now. So his hair, this whole space is like all goes down all the way to his bottom lip. So this, so like hairline to the lip is about the same as hairline top of the head, because his head is tilted forward, so we can see more of it. It's bigger. Now, so we can see his cape, like coming around from behind his ear. Okay, so it goes down to the V just at the front, and then around from his ear here. So we got this V here. So the center line for his chest would be sort of here somewhere. Right, and then we have some anatomy inside, so like some neck muscles, really big, like his Adam's apple. Neck going like this way. Okay, so chest muscles, right? So say like going like this way, right? So chest here. Chest, same sort of thing, right there. Just this kind of V or M, what I'm saying, a V here and an M here. Okay, and then these chest muscles have like muscle fibers in here, in at the armpit, right? And this comes down. Right, so like that, right? They don't have to be super exactly the same or anything. So his cape say it goes up over his shoulder. So we go like up this way and up the top of his chest, but it kind of doesn't have to be exactly the same, but we'll just, this one maybe flows further. Just do it different on both sides. So in the back of this cape, right, so it's fabric, right? So you want all these sort of dips and changes of direction, like so. Like this kind of thing. All comes down into the front here. Right, so that's his cape. His arms come out from here. We'll just finish the cape on this side as well. Okay, so we're slightly different on both sides now. Right, so that shoulder muscle, really big, like crazy. His arms will go off my page now, so this goes that way, right? So your shoulder muscle pretty much joins like your chest, right? It all connects in at the armpit. You got like another shoulder muscle there and there. Okay, so he's real big. And then the bicep is out this way. And tricep goes out there, and then his forearm sort of goes off this way somewhere. Okay, and then his side of his body, his wings, sort of here. And then the rest of that cape. So we go off this way, right? Just sort of smooth up some of my lines. And then we'll do the shoulder on the other side. Ba-da-bum. Alright, so same sort of thing again, right? So this is, so yeah, shoulder muscle, right? So shoulder muscle, it's real big, so we'll put it out there. Deltoid muscles, you got like 3 of them. Right, like so. And his bicep comes out from there. Tricep up here. The forearm goes that way. Right in the side of his body. Like that. Okay, so imagine this coming at you like a train. That's all red inside there. Okay, so then the Superman crest, right, inside here. So, and then some abs. So this comes straight across, kind of curving to there, and then we'll go diagonal there, and it comes over his chest and down towards the center there. Right, so the S, right, it's kind of hard, it's tricky enough to draw, right, because it's connected to the edge. So, say here, we go down, this is the top, right, like so, and we've got this triangle upside down, sort of here, and then this will go to there, like so, up to there. We have another triangle down here. Okay. And then the rest of the S, the bottom of the S shape here. Right, so you can sort of make it out now. And then just over here, we got the end. Like so. Right, so add some anatomy sort of here now, right? So you just do these, his lats, right? So the way to do this is like just these sort of Y's. See this? So kind of like Y's. So they kind of overlap one another. And then we got some abs. Sort of just here. Like so. And then you can add more detail to that or less, but what I'll do is thickening up my edge just to give it extra weight around the outside. Right, and then glowing red, and then we're going to give him black costume. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.